welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful golden purple nail design. So of course I am filing off my race car set. I think I posted it in my community post. I really love this set, but for the sake of videos, it's time for it to go. I'm going in with an extra coarse safety drill bit. I got this bit on Amazon. I will leave it linked in the description box below. Rule of thumb, guys, be very careful when you are using this drill bit because it is an extra coarse. Yes, it is a safety drill bit, but it is sharp, okay? So please, when you're using on yourself or clients, just please be careful. And I'm going to be using this drill bit to just get off all of that design and get back to my base layer. Okay, kitties, so everything is filed off. Cuticles are pushed back. I went in with my sanding bit and just got all the excess dirt and crap off. Now I'm going to be going in with my design. I don't know. I'm going to be using my product. So this is my Kitty Claws Gold mix, and it has some like purple bits in it, which I love. So then I decided to close up for you guys. Yeah, so that's the glitter mix we're using. Then I decided to go ahead and use some of these flowers. I love these, are super pretty. And I'm going to use this as my nude. It's another Kitty Claws mix of mine, and I love it. It has that iridescent purple effect to it. And for clear acrylic, I'm using IGel Beauty today. And I'm using this little, it's a candle holder, but it is perfect for the season. So I'm using it as a dapping dish for, of course, my monomer. I got it from my Dollar Tree for, yeah, $1. And it was the only one left. I don't know if there are any more, hopefully. But I love finding little finds like this because they're not conventional, but it's so cute. And I know there are a lot of websites and other nail people who make or resell really beautiful, you know, dapping dishes. But you can, if you go to like maybe a Target, a Walmart, a dollar store, and literally get glass like candle holders, because this is meant to hold like a little candle, you can use that as your dapping dish. It actually works pretty well. So I always go to the dollar store and I always end up in the aisle that has like the little cheap vases or whatever. And I found this and I was like, oh, have to have it. So yeah, let's get into the design. Okay, kitties, going in with my basic prep. So I'm using Mia Secret's Nail Dehydrator, and that just does what it says. It dehydrates the nail. And then I'm going in with this new product. It's Mia Secret's No Line Fill Line Eraser. So basically, you know how you have that fill line and sometimes when you refill or rebalance your nail, you can kind of still see it. That is supposed to melt that away, and I gotta say it kind of works. It's pretty decent product. I'm gonna try it again just to make sure it does work. And then of course I'm using my no acid primer from Mia Secrets. And yeah, that's basically my prep steps. I'll leave everything linked in the description box below. And I'm going in with the IGel Beauty Clear acrylic here. I put that as a base to my nails. I always try to put down that base layer so that when I file back a design, I am not gonna get down to like my actual nail. I want to say I'll file back to that base layer of acrylic. Now I'm going in with the nude or nudish color that I mixed together. I mixed this a while ago. I'll try to remember what products I mixed, but I just kind of like put together some Mia Secrets colors, mixed together some Mia Secrets nudes to get this nude, and then I added like an iridescent shimmer to it. So yeah, I will do a mixing video to help all my beautiful kitties out there, because I know you guys like those videos, and I'm going to definitely do a mixing video for you guys so you guys can get your mix on and may not have to buy so many products once you learn how to mix some products you already have, you know. Anyway, I'm doing a glitter ombre fade on that nail, And then on this nail, I'm doing my, I want to say like my hippie flowers. I really like these flowers. They are kind of thick, so you have to make sure you encapsulate well when you put these flowers down. I think I got those from Amazon. It could be AliExpress. I'm thinking more AliExpress, so I'm gonna have to really search for it, because I'm sure I bought it months and months and months ago, and I gotta find it again and just post it down below for you. And in this step, all we're doing is encapsulate. I love encapsulating. I don't know, that's just my thing. So I'm just encapsulating my design so that when I come back to do my finished filing, I do not erase or file away my beautiful glitter and my beautiful flowers. Those flowers are giving me like Brady Bunch vibes. I don't know if anybody else it is. Anyway, so yeah, just gonna finish encapsulating, getting my structure, getting my apex right. Once that's done, we will file and regain our shape. And then, of course, go in with my drill bit. Now, I slowed this one down so you can kind of see the motion and what I'm doing. And I'm really getting right into that cuticle area and just filing it away. You have to get into the cuticle area or you will get lifting, guys. It takes practice, but you will get it. Trust me. I'd sped this one back up, or else the video would be too long if I did all the filing. But I would never be this aggressive for real. It is sped up. I will leave the link for this drill bit down below. I know it's a Pana drill bit, but I will leave it linked down below. I really love this bit to get right into my cuticles. And then my next bit is my extra fine. Is it extra fine or fine? No, it's just a fine. So my next drill bit is a fine drill bit, and that just smooths out any scratches or any scratches that was left by that previous bit. And that's also a Pana drill bit, and it's a safety drill bit. So I'm gonna also leave that linked in the description box below. Now, of course, your girl has to do some bling, but I reuse my bling. So any bling I pop off that are still good, I soak them in alcohol, clean them up, I put them in a little jar, and then I'll add a few new ones. So here's a little LED flashlight, and I'm using my Ugly Ducklings Stick It to get my bling on. I like the gel, was it like rhinestone glue, you want to call it? Like, that's what Stick It is to me. I like it because you get more freedom to play with your placement of your stones. Don't get me wrong, I still love my Zule bling glue, because that glue ain't no joke. You use that, nothing's going anywhere. But I used the Stick It, and it worked really well. None of my bling moved or fell off either. And I used a little lamp, so if I'm making a certain cluster and I really don't want it to move, because the gel will move, I'll use my LED lamp to like secure it in place. And then the handheld one that I showed previously, and then I'll continue on blinging out my nail. And then once I have everything where I want it to be, I cure it in my lamp, my LED UV lamp, for 60 seconds. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, do you also reuse your bling like I do? And kitties, if you've made it this far in the video, I'm gonna need you to drop a flower emoji in the comment section below. Drop a flower emoji so I can know that you made it this far. You're my true blue kitties. So I'm just using my D&D No White Top coat here just to get that nice shimmer shine on, secure everything. And then of course it's going to be the final look. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will be posting another video very soon. I love you guys. Bye, kitties.